So we're going to do this unboxing here of these garden tools, and they sent us this to give us their honest feedback, and we're avid gardeners. So over the years we've had quite a lot of garden tools. So I'm going to give you my first impressions and a couple tips about gardening. So, okay, right off the bat, these are much thicker than I was expecting. Let's cut these out of here. I don't want to cut the little thing there. That's actually really heavy. I mean, for like a garden tool, it's not like you can't use it, but it's definitely heavy duty. So, which is unexpected because usually we go through about one of these every year. We end up buying another one because they just kind of fall apart. But these ones look like they're going to last. All right, we get all this off of here. So, first we have the shovel. It feels like it's weighted really well. We're going to test these out right here too and see. So what we're doing is we're going to plant some morning glories right here, so hopefully it'll kind of fill in and look a lot nicer by the lake. Let's take these little tips off. Figured we'll do it in real time and see how easy it is to break up the land with it. This dirt has not been worked before, so let's see with the rake. I'm going to put a lot of pressure on it and see if it holds up, because some of the other ones, when I push on them, they'll bend, and this part right here will come off. So I'm going to put all my weight on it. Yeah, it's actually holding up. Nice. Perfect. So this works really well. This is actually topsoil on top of compressed gravel. Then we have two different shovels here. So this one has measurements. So when you're trying to plant, you can actually see the depth. And then this one, of course, is just a shovel for more like moving mass out of the way. See, for like moving stuff. But it shovels real good. We got some worms in there. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna till up an area here, like a little row, and then we're gonna plant morning glories so they'll come back year after year. I'm really impressed with this rake though so far. I'm putting a lot of weight on it and it's not bending at all. Where some of the other ones, they'll definitely bend. Okay. So while the other ones, I guess, are okay if you're working with like fresh potting soil, if you're actually out gardening and you want to break up something hard, you're going to need something more heavy duty like this. Let's make a little trench here. The morning glory seeds don't go very deep. I brought a whole handful, and these are seeds that we grew in our backyard. This is the third year we've had them, so we've got a lot of seeds. We're just going to sprinkle these in here. There's all kinds of different colors. That's a lot. It's probably more than you need, but we have thousands of them, so that's all right. Then we're going to cover this back up just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm excited to be able to see if those seeds pop up after all this rain and stuff, because that would be really pretty to cover this whole area in morning glories. So my overall thoughts on these is they're very heavy duty. They're steel. What I've noticed is it doesn't seem like they stop right here, like this goes actually into here, because when I'm pressing on it real hard, it's not breaking, and I have broke quite a few of these in the past. Also like these little leather straps on here where you can hang them up inside the garage when you're done. A couple tips is when you are done with these, hang them up in a dry area. Don't leave them out, because just like any other tool, if you leave these out in the rain, it's going to start weakening the wood, and eventually you're going to have issues with the handle. This part, I mean, it's going to last forever, but you want to take care of the handles and stuff. Don't just leave them laying around, because they're a nice set of tools, and if you take care of them, they'll last a really long time. Yeah, so if you're looking for a set of garden tools and want to get into gardening, or you're already into gardening and you're sick of buying them every year, then I definitely recommend checking these out.